Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter unknown USB device descriptor request failed, then watch this video for the fix. The first thing we need to do is reinstall the USB drivers. So we'll go to device manager, expand universal series bus controllers, and we'll look for the hubs. Right click on it, click on uninstall device, then do the same thing for the other two or how many ever you have. And then we can either click on action and click for scan for hardware changes, or we can restart Windows to let Microsoft select the best driver for us. So we can do both, either of the two, it's your choice. And the second thing we need to do is we need to right click on these USB hubs, go to properties, go to power management, and then uncheck allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, and then click on OK, and we can do that for the other two. Now if you want Windows to select the right drivers for us, if you're not gone for the scan hardware changes option, then we'll go to Windows Update and click on search for updates now, and then we'll go to advanced options, go to optional updates, and install any device driver updates that are available here. The next thing we will do is disable the fast startup. So click the Windows and the R key simultaneously and enter this line power cfg powercfg.cpl and press enter, and then click on choose what the power buttons do, change settings that are currently unavailable, and make sure that this box is unchecked. Click on save changes, and that should be about it. The other two things we can do is we can run a check test scan. So we can go to command prompt, run as administrator, just to make sure that there are no bad sectors in the disk. So chkdsk space /f space /r and press enter, then press Y and press enter, and let the scan run. The final thing we can do is look for the BIOS update. So we will look for, now I have the E150F4FA BIOS. So how I'll come to know the model number is I will look at the bottom of my laptop. There should be a sticker there, and that will carry your model number. So enter the model number into the search bar, and then you can click on the manufacturer's site and it will arrive here. Look for BIOS and firmware, and then click on BIOS update Windows, because if you go for the flash utility, then you have to download it into the USB drive and then it will flash from there. But it's better you do it on Windows. So you just download it, open the file, and you have to run the installer. Preferably right click the installer and click on run as administrator. Once that is done, just click on the start button, the power button, and then click on restart, and you should no longer have this problem with the USB. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.